You just need someone to live with a call your own. Michaela, thank you.
Me not come brag like so many people about them. They make things on TikTok. Me not taught them something. Me not tell me.
Yeah.
Me not tell a lie. Me get things just so.
Yeah.
Guys, 3 person, 1 rose, guys.
We see you.
3 person, 1 rose.
3 roses, chat. 3 roses, guys. 3 people in the chat with a rose.
Guys, 3 person, 1 rose, please.
And for
One more thing. People will help you, Derrick. You have to make them see say you're serious.
And for Macadam Camera go Panama, me plan to me do my song say me want go Panama. Yeah.
Thank you.
Panama. Mr. Derrick, are you make me want to go to Panama, you know?
You not go there yet?
No, me go there, me pass over there, but Derrick, any day me go to Panama, me have to go use your soul. Me say Panama. Panama.
Even when me dey out a road and me a open up door, me a say, one passa. It just come out of my mouth, you know? Like, and I come like that thing. Yeah, me just a walk, and then it just come up. Me say, guys.
One heap up.
Pasta.
Yeah, Roger, our sister, are your brother?
Yeah.
Guys, me can get the money gone.
Guys, pan a double, please, chat. Pan a double. So we just love your song, Uncle. Well, I know your song, yeah, Maka.
Everything with Derrick said trending. Me I tell you.
You live over here, you live at Jamaica?
But they are Jamaica right now, Uncle Derrick.
Okay.
Yeah, but they are right now.
I want to go come in and park and teach me money. How your brother give me $20,000 back?
Yeah, me know him did come and park, come give the money back. Yeah, me remember. Yeah. But she did. I think she did say she didn't need the money at the time. Not saying that she did right, you know, but that she did say. No, that she did say. So she did.
Yeah, me a suffer. Me a walk and say me thing.
That good girl, you know, see, me yard she come from. She named Danger, Uncle Derrick, and me yard she come from.
Now look, Leon.
No, the Luke Lane she come from. She did live at West Street, but she not live there no more. And Spangler,
You live on a part there already, so.
Oh, you don't know about that part there?
No, me no West. Me no whatever. I say you not live there so again.
No, me not there down there no more.
You
But
not
that West
that girl, you not live on here then.
yeah, but she's a good girl. I just when you really know it and you didn't want it. Not saying what she did right, what she do, but me glad Sarah did give about the money.
But me look, you know, me see her about PM right meet now. Me see her up there she a call. Me only one answer. All of her mind by the part, switchly part. Me see her and she run come up with me, but me never want answer.
Yeah, but you never met no scene still. You still get
No,
up
so me just make it go on.
Sometimes you have to play a hypocrite, Derrick.
You know so.
double tap chat. But she a good girl still. Me know say you probably not want nothing to do with her because she didn't take your money and stuff like that. But she a not bad person. She's a good girl.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome. Double tap, guys. Double tap chat.
Guys, I last game. Send something nice.
Tap up the screen. Tap up the screen, man.
The screen, guys. Tap up the screen.
When I come up, you just special me give me number. Where want some on let you move for yourself. So can
Uncle, I don't know what's the process to get like an apartment in Jamaica. It hard like you have to have like pay stubs and them type of something there.
yeah, someone can look about that for me. If we get to me can make Maka look about that for me.
Yeah. You want somewhere like uptown, like in the hills and somewhere like that?
Like Evandale, Mona.
No man, Derrick, enough money for them place there now.
No man,
Tell the truth.
No, let me tell you, so Shana, you see, in my pay right, according to Uncle Derrick, in my pay $42,000 a week.
They can pay for the month.
42 times 4, that is $160,000 a month.
Yeah.
So you see, in party, him can get something for about 130, 100 like 100,000. Would they got Portmore now? Thank you, everybody. Would you go to Portmore?
Nice here in a Portmore.
Would you want to live at Port? I hear Portmore have like a lot of mosquito.
Oh, mosquito.
That's what they said.
I don't want to live in a very, very area. Because I used to live in Maclab. I'm not going to a bad area.
Yeah. Double tap chat, double tap.
Nice, quiet community with a bad never show me. That's
With
good
like
enough.
coming peaceful and stuff like that. Yeah, you
Yeah.
feel safe. I feel like your biggest thing is that you want to feel like you're safe, like you're safe.
Yeah.
That, yeah.
You saw me there, dead road. No, but you know, say people. Be a care of people, see pass and gone.
Yeah.
And we saw me there, so them have a swimming pool there, so.
Now where I say?
So, oh, you know, bring the live out at door and go swim, Uncle Derrick, so we can see you in your swim trunks. Or you're not going to take a dip in the pool.
You know, say me there, you know, say you're the second person for do it, but sometimes I like people want to show up them players.
Okay.
Yeah, don't do it, Derrick. Don't do it.
I understand that part. I understand. Double tap everybody, double tap chat, double tap. But you're gonna find a place, Uncle Derrick. Don't worry. God will bless you. You'll find it somewhere. And one thing you can't go hungry because the people that do love you. You might probably don't have nowhere to stay at times, but one thing you're not go hungry.
Yeah, man. People love Derrick, man. I want Derrick Morgan, you know. One Derrick on the app.
2 more roses, chat. 2 more roses.
Tell me, can I get some roses, please?
2 more roses, chat. 2 more roses. So, Uncle Derrick, since you are the man who have the Pasa Pasa song, how do you feel about the whole heap of Pasa Pasa that we are going on the app? Yellow, thank you. I'm Bill, thank you. Hey, Uncle Derrick,
Me post some of them, you know. Me post some of the pasta them.
feel about it.
Eh? Me not feel away now. Me love it. Get all the pasta and post it.
Guys, double
That's
tap.
the pasta go on. Every minute, you see, as one done, one is come up again.
Yes, that
I
is
pass run the TikTok, Derrick.
Yeah.
You not do no pass, you not get no views and likes, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You have to do pass.
And then they say to close, and then you want to say, nah, close on again. You
No, man, in the States, not Jamaica. In the States, they mistake.
On the 17th, they're supposed to. On the 17th, they're supposed to make a decision if they either have to sell it or they have to win the lawsuit. If not, then the app is gonna disappear in America. So,
So everybody can go back to Instagram.
Don't not go on over there, so.
not necessarily, you know.
Or about tag. Everybody ever go about tag.
Tag?
Yeah. Tag are the first streaming platform. Well, not necessarily where you make money from.
Me just talking about tag. Tag not going nothing.
You used to go live over there?
Yeah. Because about them say there's a dating site that.
No, man, people go live over there too, man.
On Facebook, now go and read nothing. Me shoot up on Facebook. Not now go on Facebook.
Yeah.
But you still have it, you still have Facebook still?
Yeah, me on Facebook.
Not Facebook. We only have Instagram and TikTok. And YouTube, but we not Facebook.
Yeah, YouTube, you know.
We do. So tell them for where you're gonna start to like make like the vlogs and stuff like that, Uncle Derrick.
Yes. Name Derrick Morgan official.
You know you can do like when the things that are go on, you can do like review upon it, Uncle Derrick. Like you can do it like a commentary upon it.
Yeah.
You have to do that.
You see, I'm looking video them way that make and say, me say, guys, you know, see, say, such a, you just do it over YouTube. People who watch you over there, you know.
I have put them the details of the things them.
You have got to learn how to like edit it to Derrick.
No, me have some of that manage for me. Me have some of that manage for me.
Yeah, and put like the caption, some catching caption and then something there.
I would watch your video them, Uncle Derrick. I would watch your commentary video them on the Pasa. Because even your video them you're on TikTok.
Yeah,
Yeah, Derrick funny, man. Derrick, you're funny.
Sarah sent to look give you. Kizzy. You remember Kizzy is on TikTok?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're on YouTube now.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you should definitely do it, Uncle Derrick. Double
But
tap.
this time I go now with a guy. So Onella and Derrick, big up on the shelf.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless.
Unless you want to ask, let me see who else is out there, Uncle Derrick. Hold on. Mr. Guys. Hold on, Uncle Derrick. May I see who else is out there? One cup pasta. Let me see. Alright, I don't see nobody else. Okay, let me hear run and show the other people. Double tap, double tap. Wait, hold on. It's not accepting. Double tap.
Yeah.
Wait. Hold on. Auntie Dana. Let me try now.
Wagwan Onila.
My Auntie Dana, wait, Uncle there. Let me see if I can answer.
Mr. Guys, one pasta. Mama Auntie.
Wagwan.
There.
Everybody.
Wagwan Onila, long time no see you.
Are you alright, Auntie?
Yeah.
Come on.
Double tap, guys. Double tap. Babs, you alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Too much Auntie in our building, no know which one.
Huh?
When me did I play with Deborah, they did I tell me to put audio, but me never see her in the man.
Oh.
Well, want to play with you, see?
My troublemaker, like me making cocktail up.
I see. Double tap, y'all.
If
Double
you
tap.
go more than cool, if you go more than cool up in England, there, make it dead. And guys,
Double tap.
chat me gonna sound taps.
That here in both audio.
Hey, people there, come on, my team.
Double tap, everybody. Double tap, chat.
Double tap, giant and tap.
Nobody can compete to look a gift gallery for me.
One for pasta. And me answer that answer me a talk about Derrick, you know.
Double tap.
Every time I see I mean first time what he sang and tell first tell Derrick what he sang, you know.
What you mean?
He never hear it before me tell him about it.
What the pasta song?
Yes. I will tell him about it.
Uncle Derrick, I thought it was your song, so I never knew about it until.
So you know say song when go drop.
He didn't know his song.
When the first time she talk about it, then time me never know Maka them time there when she come out with the song.
Oh.
I mean here Maka play it. I will tell Derrick about it.
Oh, okay.
And then we're going to tell Maka, say we tell Derrick about it, Maka run come look.
Oh, okay.
When she got all over the place.
Double tap. You say y'all go. Where y'all go now, Uncle Derrick? You say y'all go DR?
England and where again?
After England.
Alright.
Yes. Proud of you, Derrick. Proud of you.
Alright.
Look up Aunty score my team. One if a passa. And a lie. Come on, guys.
Remember every day and text it for me, you know.
Who takes it for you?
I mean,
People like on road anywhere we go.
come on, my team. Look up score exercise. We can get you double my team.
I feel like them to leave you alone, but
Bro.
as what Sakana say, because they give them the reaction.
Three was. You know, get only like
and
jump to one.
Them are gonna continue to play with you. That's why.
Yeah. 3 was only like.
You have a bus man, you have a taxi man, you have a body. And then see me come and put a phone for me coach there and I can't bother with it.
3 rows.
Guys, 3
But
rows.
3 rows.
3 rows chat.
He could take you guys 2 more rows, please. 2 more rows.
Sunday too, you know. Now we listen much. One box. One drop box.
Oh.
150K.
Oh.
Double everybody. Double, guys. Double.
You catch it double?
Yeah, we are going to take double, but them not. So funny.
You don't get it.
We'll take it.
Me don't understand how much money goes, so you know. Come on, my team. Push up my score, my team. Push up my score. Yeah, push up my score, my team. Thank you for the follow. Push up my score, my team.
Drop the screen, guys.
I told you I was screen on my team, Angela. Thank you, Diamond. Big up yourself. Push up my score for me, Diamond, please. Diamond girl.
Say Guys, Mr. Guys. What?
Auntie score my team. Gabby Martin, come on, Dika. Thank you, Angela. Should we score my team? Should we score my team?
Derrick bombs Aunty later.
Eh?
Later, guys.
Oh, again done. Alright.
Me a come auntie.
Yeah, one. We're going to run too much. My team, tap the screen, my team, tap the screen, my team, tap the screen, my team. Go on, my team, tap the screen. We play look at this song, my team. Yes, thank you for the likes, thank you.
If you want a Filipino girlfriend, come to our life and
No push up my score, my team, no push up my score. Push up my score, my team, push up my score.
Guys, tell the scream.
Push up my score.
meet our single ladies.
Please don't. Any give me. I have to rent to pay. Me have rent to pay. Me have to come out very soon. Come on. Come, guys.
Push up my score, my team, push up my score, my team. Oh, yeah, John. Alright. Yeah.